Yo, what's up guys, Kevin here. Today I'm riding on Blackcomb Mountain and woke up to a winter storm alert here in Whistler. So I think last night we got almost 30 centimeters and it's just continuing to puke snow all through the day. So the roads were covered. It took me like a half an hour to dig out my car and the snow just keeps building up. This is one of the craziest day yet on the mountain here. Also up riding with TJ.
What's up guys?
TJ, I'm stoked that we got some snow for you, man.
Dude, me too.
Goals for the day, man?
Yeah, man, get in the trees, find some pillows, find some drops, and test out this board, the GNU Fun Guy.
Nice, man, the Fun Guy. Today I got the Orca out, 159, fresh wax. Fresh wax, TJ?
Fresh wax on both sides today.
Let's get it.
All right, you're gonna go that way? Honestly, it all looks pretty good. All right, dude.
And guys, we're up riding here under one of my favorite runs, the peak to peak line. These gondolas take you over to Whistler, which is right over there. Yeah, just traversing, stay high. There's like a big open, crazy open patch right over here. What if you come through there, jump off of this, and land going that way? Holy.
I jumped the wrong direction.
You landed in a tree. Nice, dude. What happened?
It's hard to get speed today with just so much snow. So I was trying to like find a little lane and then launch off something. Best thing to do in these conditions, and I just miscalculated.
On days like today, you need that combination of speed and planning your line. TJ, he had the speed, he had the air time, but the line was just miscalculated. Wow, dude. Like, when all this snow falls out of the tree, that's when you get the powder bomb forest. Guys, today is one of those rare days where the last runs are actually better than the first runs because of this winter storm just bringing more and more snow. And today we're stuck in the middle of the mountain, so hopefully tomorrow they open those upper chairs into the Alpine. It's just gonna depend on avalanche safety, so we'll see what happens for tomorrow, but today has been incredible. So TJ, if the Alpine opens tomorrow, where do you want to ride? Whistler or Blackcomb?
Oh man, I think
we got Peak Chair, Harmony Chair in Whistler. We got Glacier Chair and the T-bars over here on Blackcomb.
Yeah, definitely put me on the spot, but I think that I'd like to ride Peak. If Peak opened, I think Peak might be the best terrain on the mountain right now. And I love Harmony Ridge too, so that'd be pretty dope.
All right, let's keep an eye on Whistler.
Yeah.
This right here is one of the reasons I love snowboarding in Whistler. Like, the trees just get filled with snow. It's really steep for riding and keeping your speed. One of the things for sure that makes Whistler special is the tree riding. What do you got there?
Oh, just some, what do you call this? Old man's beard?
Yeah. TJ, follow me down there. That log ride we were spotting is over here, like 30 feet down.
Oh, you okay?
Yep. Thanks for spotting it. Dude, good try, man.
Yeah, I was gonna try to do a method, and then I realized what was happening, so that didn't work out.
That's all good.
Yeah, we'll get the next one.
Next time over that way more.
Bracing for impact.
Guys, we ran into our buddy Dylan, who works at Showcase, and he's riding a very interesting snowboard. What is that, man?
So today I'm on a Burton Fishket. It's a 148. It's got a spoon nose, super small tail. It rips in the trees. I'm loving it.
Dude, yeah, you're killing it on that thing. Perfect tree board. Good job, dude.
Thanks, man.
TJ, what do you think? Today or yesterday?
Dude, yeah, today was definitely more fun than yesterday. Just because like the snow might have been better yesterday because we were up higher, but the good part of the run was way longer today. So I think I would take that.
Nice, more pillows, more lines.
Exactly.
Dylan, dude, so of all your days so far this year, how does that one rank?
That one, I put that as #1. Pretty good day. Awesome guys. Hit some pillows. Can't complain. Pizza to celebrate.
Yo, dude,
Yeah.
You nailed that drop at the end there too. Like, we have to go back there, you get redemption, but that was like a very ambitious drop.
It was a great drop.
Sorry.
Try to line it up better next time. But we'll definitely have to try it again.
Nice, dude. Guys, today the runs were longer, and even though there wasn't as much open, Whistler is a lot more quiet now that Christmas is over. At times felt like we had the whole mountain to ourselves, so that's an amazing feeling. And the highlight for my day was actually the last run. Those last drops right at the end, that was a highlight. All thanks to Dylan for making us do it, but tomorrow I think we're gonna try to get up into the Alpine. Hopefully it's safe enough to actually have the lifts open, so we're gonna see what happens tomorrow. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe here to Snowboard Pro Camp, subscribe over to Board Archive. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Dylan for riding with us. We're gonna grab some pizza now, guys. Have fun with this snowboarding. We'll see you guys soon.